Cute as a button, must see this well-maintained condo. This charming home offers a 2018 new HVAC system and new water heater, vinyl privacy fence, master bedroom walk-in closet, and vinyl tiled floors throughout for easy maintenance, ceiling fans, and a fireplace in the living room for cold winter nights. Super clean and in great condition. Close major highways I-275/I-75/I-4 to USF, restaurants, shopping strips, entertainment, and more. Perfect for investors or owner-occupant. Make your showing appointment today.